Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Tutorials, where I provide you with daily tech tips and helpful guides. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your login errors in Outlook. First, make sure you have a good internet connection and it's working properly. Now there are two ways you can fix this. First is by updating the app. If you haven't updated the app yet, go to the App Store. On the search bar, type in Outlook and then tap search. And once you land on this page, if you haven't updated the app yet, click on the update button right next to Microsoft Outlook. And once the update is completed, check if the login error still exists. If it still does, then go back, tap on Settings, scroll down, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and now scroll down until you find Outlook. Once you find it, tap on it, and then tap on Offload App. Tap on it again. Once the app is done offloading, tap on Reinstall App. As you can see here, Outlook is being reinstalled into my phone. Once the app is done reinstalling, check if the login error still exists. If it still does, then try restarting your phone and try again. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides just like this.